Mention the name Buruji Kashamu, a lot of thoughts move through one's head one after another, sometimes simultaneously. For the controversial politician, much dirt have been dished and demonstrated in a gossipy tone about him. But he has been undaunted. The senator representing Ogu East in the Red Chamber of the National Assembly is currently facing a mother of all battles politically since his faction lost out in the internal power play that nearly destroyed his party, the People's Democratic Party. Kashamu is believed to be desperate to return to the Senate by all means. His return, according to those close to his camp, is crucial if he still desires to be relevant in the political circles. Aside being relevant in the scheme of things, the Red Chamber provides a bit of cover for Kashamu in his battle against move by the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, GLE, to extradite him to the United States. But should he be stripped of that status, then, he might be very close to his unwilling expedition to the US. But while these political and societal ruckuses were on, the Igbo-born politician come businessman never lost sight of investing in new businesses. About a year ago, the billionaire businessman joined the growing list of investors in the multi-billion naira sport betting business with the brand, Western Lotto. Though, the burly wealthy entrepreneur has not openly identified with the business, the fast-rising Western Lotto, within months on board, has been setting a fast pace in the business, on account of the stupendous money and assets Kashamu has pumped into it from the onset. Some critics have already hit the town with insinuations that Kashamu's foray into the lotto business is everything but altruistic. They see it as an extension of his long-drawn battle with the Adebutu family, whose patriarch, Chief Kesigto Adebutu, owns Premier Lotto, the sector leader fondly referred to as Baba Igbo. With their unending political rivalry pitting Kashamu against Ladai Adebutu, a member of the lower chamber of the National Assembly, the gear has been shifted to the economic front, as the managers of Kashamu's Western Lotto have allegedly been accused of demarketing Baba Igbo with the sole aim of withering his influence and then move on top of the business as the leader. But a source close to Kashamu told Spotlight that can't be true, as there is no reason for competition between the two sports betting companies, as they both have different operational model, with Premier Lotto staking being physical while Western's is virtual. But, be that as it may, Kashamu's Western Lotto is believed to be gaining ground, as it has been dangling attractive carrots before players of its game, especially paying handsome amount for winners as and when due, a situation said to be posing a threat to Baba Igbo, who over the years dominates the space, raking in daily billions of naira in return. As it is now, no one can say who will blink first, given the enormous financial war chest at the beck of the two gladiators. But Kashamu is said to be really bent on having his way, if only to have a strong hold on the sport betting business and perhaps